These solenoid valves control the entire automatic rod lifting device. This valve controls the clamp. This group of valves controls cab selection, power head push and pull, and travel and work mode switching. This is a multi-way valve that controls rotation. The blue valve group controls push and pull. This is the valve that controls the power head limit. The one in the middle is the solenoid valve that controls the confluence. The solenoid valve inside controls the walking speed. The outermost solenoid valve controls the push and pull of the power head. This is the fuse box of the whole machine. Unscrew the knob to open the fuse box cover.